I gotta say, those babies were just adorable. They're doing amazing work there.
Yeah, they are. A little bit of sunshine there, of a nice story on an otherwise cloudy day. And it's going to stay cloudy for us, unfortunately, for a while. As we look outside over Scottsburg at the moment, really nothing very exciting to show you. We haven't seen the sun in several days, and it's going to be staying cloudy through this weekend. That is the main weather story. It's also going to be coming with some rain for tomorrow, but thankfully, next week is going to be drier. We do have at least one chance of rain in there next week, but most of it does appear to look dry for us. Nothing falling on Max HD radar at the moment, at least nothing that it can really detect. Maybe some areas of light patchy drizzle at the moment. Otherwise, we're pretty dry around the Ohio Valley. We have to go up towards the Chicagoland area to really pick up any rainfall. So this is a break for us today before we see more rain returning tomorrow. And it has been a very wet January. There's no doubt about it. So far, we've picked up over 5.5 inches of rainfall for the month. That's over 2 3/4 of an inch above average, which is fantastic for us. And this has been a drought-busting rain pattern for us that we've been in. We've had severe drought across a lot of the area. By next week, when we get that new drought monitor, we'll probably see much of that drought eliminated, which is good news. Here's a look at Futurecast for today as we head into the afternoon. Still going to stay cloudy for us. Later on this evening, temperatures in the middle 40s. If you have plans tonight, it's going to be pretty quiet and a-okay. But here's tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. We're seeing that rain returning once again out of the southwest. Notice how it encompasses much of the area. Moderate, maybe a little bit heavy at times. We're probably not going to hear any thunder with this, and certainly nothing severe. But it's not going to be raining all day. We will have some dry periods now and then. This is the mid-afternoon, 4:30 on Saturday. Notice temperatures still in the middle and upper 40s for us, which is actually above normal still by a few degrees. And we'll continue to see some showers pushing through into the late evening hours. Now, we'll start off Saturday night after midnight. This is actually Sunday midnight dry, but I do believe we'll see some more showers pushing in, and maybe north of the river getting a little bit cold enough with some wraparound cold air that we do see some rain snow mix. But look at those temperatures. They're well above freezing, so if any snow did fall and did make it to the ground, it would melt pretty soon after as the ground has started to warm up for us. And then things finally begin to quiet down as we head into the start of next week. Still going to be pretty cloudy on Monday, however, but by the middle of the week, that's when we should start to see those clouds push on out of here and get a little bit of sunshine back in our back in our life, frankly. 50 degrees right now, 51 in E-Town, 45 in Jasper. We do have a range of temperatures. Another cloudy day this afternoon. Highs trying to climb a few more degrees into the lower 50s. We're already at 50. And tonight, staying mostly dry, but still cloudy. Looking at the 7-day forecast, not too much to show you here as we head into next week. 44 on Monday, 48 on Tuesday. That's where that next chance of rain shows up Tuesday afternoon, but just a 30% chance. I think a lot of us will actually stay dry. And then sunnier days as we head into the second half of next week. So there is light at the end of this proverbial tunnel for us. We just have to get through the next few days of gray skies.